Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Deanin It Yourself. If you guys saw my previous video, I actually helped my brother-in-law replace his dishwasher. At the same time, I was able to troubleshoot his old dishwasher, and it turns out it needed a new drain pump. So I used the opportunity to do another video, which is this one, where I'll be changing a drain pump. This repair is pretty common and it's pretty easy. So if you guys have a dishwasher that's not draining, or if you guys hear a funny humming noise coming from under the dishwasher and it's not draining, then chances are your drain pump is gone bad. So if your dishwasher suffers from those symptoms, you've come to the right place. This is the video for you. We're going to go ahead and replace the dishwasher drain pump. It's a simple fix, and if you guys are up to the challenge, let's go ahead and do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you guys haven't already. I got a lot of content coming up, so please go ahead, mash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and leave a comment below and let me know if what I'm doing is helping you guys or if there's anything you guys would like me to change. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the video. In order to access the pump, we first need to remove the kick plate in front of the dishwasher. Now we can remove the kick plate and set it aside. Once you remove the kick plate, just take a look under the dishwasher and you'll be able to see the pump. Sometimes the pump may be hidden in the back, but on this dishwasher you can see it located right here. Unfortunately, it's located towards the rear of the dishwasher, so what we're going to have to do is flip the dishwasher over, and so we have easy access to the pump. If you haven't seen my video before, check the link in the description, or there should be a pop-up somewhere here on the screen where I show you how to remove a dishwasher, because in this case you're going to have to remove it from the cabinet to access the pump. Now that we have our dishwasher flipped over on its back, you can see the drain pump right here. There are 3 screws. One is located here, one is located here, and there's one on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect this hose here just so that I have a little bit of free space to work with. This is just a screwdriver which we can loosen the clamp and remove it. That will give us some play with the pump. Next, we'll disconnect the power switch that's going to the pump by pressing down on the tab located here and pulling it out. Now we just have to remove the 3 screws that are holding it in place. Now with the screws removed, I just have to slightly twist, and there you go. Our pump is removed. Now we can put the part number in on the internet to do a search on Amazon or on Google to find a replacement pump, and I'll be back with the new pump once I get it. Once we've disconnected the dishwasher pump, you can see the housing is here ready to receive the new pump. I purchased a new pump here on Amazon. What you can do is put in the part number from your old pump or Google the model number on your dishwasher to see if it fits. It's pretty much an exact replica of the old one. So I'm just going to put it back in and tighten the screws. Now we can put the dishwasher pump back in place. And all we need to do is line it up the way it was before. Make sure that the holes are lined up. You can see here and here are the connection points. We have our 3 screws that we took out of the old pump. Now, if you took off any hose clamps, put them back on, tighten them up, connect the power. Finally, we want to tighten up any hose clamps that we disconnected. This one we didn't, but this one we did. And you should be able to connect your dishwasher, connect back your hose. If you guys haven't checked out my video, you can check it out to see how to reconnect your dishwasher and install a dishwasher. But once the pump has been changed, everything should be working like new. Welcome back, guys. That wasn't too bad. As I told you, it was pretty easy. We didn't need any special tools, just a screwdriver, and that was it. All right. I hope that was helpful. And if you guys found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.